Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is an evening. Today is Wednesday evening. I'm rocking Dira. Is it Dira or what is the name? I'm not sure. Anyway, keeping it Kenyan. So that's me. I'm having my Dira on. It's all this long. And I'm keeping it Kenyan today. And what I'm doing, guys, is well, this is a very comfortable piece of dress that's just makes me embrace woman. Oh my god, just so nice, you know. Just look at this. Look at this. Anyway, I'm here keeping it Kenyan and nakata skuma. So follow me guys in my channel and let's get on cutting skuma. So this is how we go. Be careful, don't chop your fingers. Be very careful, be gentle. Keeping it Kenyan, keeping it Kenyan. Drop your comments, drop your likes and everything. Just let me know how you keep it Kenyan back in your place and back in your house, and how this is like, just how that Kenyan mood in the house, and reminding yourself of how you used to do this. You know, in Kenya we used to cut up like this. But I just feel, oh my god, I'm so afraid. I don't want to chop my fingers, and since I've not been doing this for quite a long time, I'm not comfortable with this. So that's why I decided to take a chopping board and do my skumas, just cutting them all. Yes, and guys, this is just fun, you know how they really taste. It's really fun. Well, I don't know, in some parts of Germany, or it's only here. If you want to eat the skumas, you have to go in the supermarket and get something they call kohlrabi. So, keeping it Kenyan, my chopping board is full. I'm going to transfer the skumas right here, as you can see, and I will go on chopping them until I'm done. I still have like one handful of it. This is how they look like. These things are, oh my god, oh, delicious. And you know what, if you want to eat the skumas or the Sukumawiki, by the way, we call this Sukumawiki. This is what we call in Kiswahili or in Swahili. So by the way, Sukumawiki means pushing the week. Like, you have to push the week from Monday to Tuesday to Wednesday, and so on till the end. So it's just like something that keeps you going as you push and keep hustling and keep, just keep going, hoping for the best, hoping for nyamas to come. Like, when you eat skumas without nyama, it's like, okay, yeah, it's not really complete, but yeah. So keeping it Kenyan. Yeah, it's like most Kenyans, they like skumas, okay, Sukumawikis with nyama, accompanied with nyama, or Sukumawiki with some mixed Sukumawiki with cabbages. So actually this is how the leaf looks like. This is how it just looks like. Yeah, if you can see this very well, that's how the Sukumawiki looks like. I've just completely prepared it all, and it's all done and finished, so don't worry about this. I'm just I did that. I will show you next time when I get the skumas, maybe how you get them. You first of all, this is where did I keep them? You know, first of all, what you do is you pick the skumas. You have to look careful. You have to sort them very careful, very carefully, and make sure you choose the best, the green ones, the ones that are not invested with pesticides. So you have to be careful and check on the the ones that are very clean and really have no pesticides on them or any kind of snails and animals, and you know, all these small intruders that get into the farm to eat our greens. After you get those ones, you have to get them one by one. Try to pull them from the stem. You know, you just pull them like this from the stem, and what you are left with is the leaf. So you are supposed to eat the leaf. Yeah, some people eat the stem as well, but since, well, it's also nutritious and all that, but I personally, I just prefer eating the leaves. So the thing is, you just get the, oh my god, they're just moving out of my chopping board. What the hell? Anyway, so the thing is, you just have to pull the green ones, and you are left with the green part, which you have to prepare as I do here. Yeah, I'm doing it in a very strange and crazy way, most probably because I've not done this for quite a long time. So just bear with my situation right now. And so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, keeping it Kenyan. I will update you on other things, and let's keep our pride of Kenya really high. Goodbye and have a good